You're about to enter Kennedy's Court.
God damn!
Where the cases are real, the people are real.
What?
But the judge isn't. Evil. Justice. Kennedy's Court. The plaintiff, Misty Hudson, versus the defendant, John Charles Broussard. Misty alleges that she loaned JC $500 to start a business. Instead, he ended up spending the money on other women. Misty and JC met at a nightclub. Misty describes their relationship as a fairy tale, until she became suspicious of his potential infidelities.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Waylon E. Lee. You may be seated. State your case, please. Yeah.
I'm here to get back money borrowed from this guy here, my ex. Borrowed $500 from me, and he has yet to pay me back.
$500.
500 hard-earned dollars.
Hard-earned dollars.
I need my money.
Oh, my goodness, all right. What is, are those nails, or what is that?
Yes, sir.
That is
my
a,
nails.
Could be knives of some sort.
No.
So what happened? Tell us the story.
He always has these crazy schemes, harebrained schemes, business ventures, if you will.
Harebrained schemes.
For lack of a better word. And it's
right.
one particular time, he's borrowed money before and he's paid me back. He's a handyman, roller skater, do all that kind of crazy stuff.
A roller skater?
Yes, he roller skates.
You roller skate, sir?
Yes, I do.
Did you bring your skates today?
No, I didn't.
He should have skated on up in here and give me my money. That's what he should have did.
Finish your story, ma'am.
So this one particular time, he borrowed $500. He had an idea, one mini, and I left to go somewhere this one day, and I came back in the house unexpectedly, overheard him in the bathroom on the phone talking to another female about
toilet?
Giving her the money that he got from me.
You was in the toilet?
No, I wasn't in the toilet. I was in the restroom.
You was in the restroom?
He should have been in the toilet.
No,
what? Who was where?
He was in the toilet.
No, I was in the restroom talking business on the phone. You thought
to another broad.
No, I wasn't talking to no woman.
Yeah,
you
right.
thought I was talking to
Who?
See,
you talking to
you
another
always,
dude calling him baby? Are you kidding me?
No, but I just well.
Are you kidding me?
That's just a figure of speech.
Order in the court. Hold on a second. You was in the toilet?
No, I was in the restroom talking on the phone. I was talking some business.
To a woman.
No, I wasn't talking to no woman.
You was doing business or talking business?
I was talking business.
Business?
I was handling my business. That's what I was doing.
Handling your
business. Then why are we here today if you was handling your business?
But see, because you always get it wrong. You get it twisted.
Then where my money at, man?
Yeah, hold on. Y'all really don't need me here. I mean, y'all gonna listen to me or y'all gonna argue?
We're gonna listen to you because I need my money.
Okay, hold on. Let's go. There you go again. Wolverine.
Yeah,
all right,
I need him.
Talking to a female.
No.
He was talking crap in
You
the
were
crapper.
talking to a man.
Yeah, I was talking business on the telephone.
Talking on the telephone.
But see, I thought she was gone.
You thought she was gone.
You thought wrong.
Yeah, I did.
You thought she was gone.
I thought she was gone.
She said you were wrong.
So I was on the telephone.
Baby, oh baby, I'm gonna give you the money. I got the $500 right now, baby.
No, I didn't
Come on,
say
get the money, baby.
I didn't say that.
Order in the goddamn court. Now listen here, you gotta let him talk, okay? Now
Yeah, I let you talk. I didn't even say nothing when you.
I understand that you're a very excitable woman. I see that you got fire, or flame. You're very passionate. Am I wrong? And I do say, my dear, you do look quite wonderful today, but you are coming out your shirt.
Thank you. Ooh-wee. Oh.
Yeah, you might want to. This is for television. We're not on the Playboy.
Ooh-wee.
What type of business you conduct in the bathroom?
You know what type of business, Judge. You a man just like me. You know what kind of business we conduct. Private business. This is a private. It didn't concern her.
Then she's got a top all out, all exposed, everything
all
coming
exposed.
down.
Maybe I get my money quicker like that, huh?
No, this is. You can't do that on television.
I'm sorry.
It says here when you met, it was a fairy tale. But this sounds like a damn nightmare.
It sure is.
This sounds like a damn nightmare.
Is.
It was good.
It's an American Horror Story.
JC, you're a roller skater?
Yeah.
I thought that would stand for Jesus Christ, because I am a church-going man myself.
Yeah, me too.
So you're saying that he went to the toilet, or the restroom, or whatever the hell you call it, the pooper, and he went in there and talked to a girl.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you gave him the $500 for what?
For one of his handyman business ventures. Let me tell you the kind of harebrained schemes he have.
Handyman.
He called himself trying to start another new business last year. He's out, instead of a lemonade stand, he's selling Old English.
Well, you know they ain't gonna buy no lemonade.
Instead of a lemonade stand.
He's selling 8
I
balls.
made a
I
old-
was slanging that 8-ball.
You were slanging the 8-ball.
Slanging the 8-ball.
Who
Old,
does that? A grown man. Yeah, I
I'm
did
trying
this
to
on
make her
my
keep
own,
a-
baby. I drive big
I'm-
rigs. You didn't pay for
I'm
nothing.
trying to
I got
keep
on
you
Sweetie.
looking
Get
good.
it, get it. Don't get it twisted, bit it.
That's how she look good because of me.
No.
That lemonade stand, guess what?
And that's why we're
But
not together,
what?
baby, because I make my own money.
Yeah, right.
I don't need you.
Look at your
I
nails.
need my
Look at your hair.
$500.
I couldn't date neither of you because none of you both shut up. Now look, here, people do love Old English. You can't get mad at a man for
There
helping
you
people
go.
with Old English. He was trying to make money.
What did you say?
People enjoy Old English. I quite myself sometimes enjoy a
You
4
be drinking the OE.
No, I've had, I drive Coke myself.
Both of y'all sad.
But
That's
no,
sad.
hold on. Now he gave you $500. You gave him $500
Yes, Your Honor.
for a business.
Right.
And he started the Old English stand. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
No.
And he drunk up
No.
all the profit.
No, I
He-
didn't. No, I didn't.
You was drunk. You was drunk
Drunk
in the
up
front
all the
yard.
profit.
Yeah, I had to keep up,
Drunk.
you know, my appearance, so they'll buy it. If they see me drunk,
How
they'll
you gonna
think
buy it?
they gonna get drunk.
Ooh-wee.
What did you spend the money on?
I spent the
That
$500
nappy head
on.
girl.
Can I talk?
God
Let you
damn
talk.
it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
I'm
watch
sorry,
this
Your
again.
Honor.
Let's do a little test. You ready? That means what?
Not saying
Zip
anything.
it. Hold on one more time. What's that mean?
Be quiet.
Let's try one more time. You with me?
Yes, sir.
All right, God bless you. Hallelujah. Now, sir, go ahead.
I bought some things. I bought some. No.
I tell you right there.
Please order in this court. You're a 55-year-old roller skater.
Yes, that's what I is.
Does your diary have a lock on it?
My who?
Your diary have a lock on it.
I don't understand what you're saying, Judge.
Do you ride ponies?
I don't ride.
I'm trying to say you do little girl activities, son.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. 55, you roller skating.
No, I.
Do you believe in unicorns?
Pop your collar, Judge.
You're a
Roller
professional
skating,
roller skater.
I'm a professional roller skater. If I had my
But where the
skates, I
money
could
at?
show you.
You show me without the skates to prove
Yeah,
right
show
here.
it. Do it.
I
Come
can't show
if
you
you
without
drop the
my
money
skates.
for the
Put your-
skates,
I
put
can't
your
show
feet
you
where
my
you-
moves because
put
see,
your feet where your
I
mouth
drop
is.
down
Look,
on
look
the
at him.
side.
Look like he about
I
to
do
fall.
all my cartwheels, my flips.
Go on, do a
I
cartwheel.
do breaks
flips.
down
Do
on
a
the skate,
cartwheel then.
but I can't do them here. See, I can't.
Do-
I can't do. I
Stop.
can't do it because I ain't got my skates on.
Now look, here.
So
Yep.
I sort of kept
On,
you
or
off
order
of
in
me,
the
so I
court.
kept
Order in
pushing
the
her.
court. He's lying.
Well, you ain't the judge. Let
I'm
him
the
do that.
judge.
That's his job.
I'm the judge. All
Yeah,
right,
you don't
right
bang
now,
on- That's what her problem is. See, she talk too much. You know how women they just.
she does interrupt a lot. You
Yeah.
also interrupt a lot.
Well, I interrupt
I
when
was
people
talking on
are
the
lying.
phone. I just bought that phone, and I know how she is. Last
Now,
time I
here's
bought
the thing.
phone, she tore it up.
My ruling is that you both don't listen. You both need some counseling. You both talk too much. My ruling is no ruling.
What?
Will you ever date a roller skater again?
Can I test? Hell to the no.
If you could describe the ruling in one word, how would you describe it?
Horrible, an atrocity, a misjustice. It was. I can't even find the words for it. Let alone one.
Would you consider that one word? How did you feel about the ruling? Did you think justice was served?
Oh, I believe justice was served. I'm happy. I'm happy like a church mouse with rotten cheese.
Okay, I'm not familiar with that phrase, JC.
He's happy if he got a lot of money.
How much would that necklace fetch on the open market, JC?
Oh, about $200.
$200. Thank you, JC.
Well, I do have to say that this whole case was like, is that a pipe? Why do you have a pipe?
Is he on crack, Judge? That's why
It's-
I
it's
can't get my
nice. I
money.
like-
You look like Captain Ahab.
A black Captain Ahab.
Captain A Black. Ahab. Captain A Black.
Yeah.
don't
Get
look.
him, get him.
Making me laugh.
This whole, well, you making me upset because
He's
this
just
whole,
a character.
this whole case has been like a bad episode of Basketball Wives, with where you just blah 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 blah. But I'm gonna say that you both lose, but you both win, because my name is Jamie Kennedy.
Oh my goodness, are
Why
you
you
kidding?
cracking me up?